Are you looking for the best 8x42 binoculars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 8x42 binoculars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Nikon Monach HG8x42 Binocular. The Nikon Monach HG8x42 binoculars represent the pinnacle of Nikon's optical engineering, delivering exceptional clarity, durability, and versatility for serious outdoor enthusiasts. These flagship binoculars feature a wide field of view with edge-to-edge sharpness, making them ideal for birdwatching, wildlife observation, and scenic exploration. Built with a waterproof and fog-proof body, the Monach HG is nitrogen-filled and O-ring sealed, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. The rugged rubber-armored housing provides a secure grip and excellent shock resistance. Nikon's advanced lens and prism coatings, including an oil and water-repellent coating on the objective and eyepiece lenses, keep your view clear in any environment. A locking diopter ring ensures consistent, customized focus, while the lightweight magnesium alloy body offers portability without compromising strength. Proudly backed as an official Nikon USA model, the Monach HG8x42 sets the standard for high-end optics in a durable, user-friendly package. Number 2. Steiner Predator Series Binoculars. The Steiner 8x30 binoculars are a top-tier choice for serious hunters and outdoor enthusiasts, combining advanced optical technology with rugged durability. Featuring Steiner's exclusive color-adjusted transmission, CAT, technology, these binoculars enhance contrast to help you spot game hidden in dense foliage or shaded areas. Their high-tech design ensures sharp focus on fast-moving targets at any distance, making them ideal for tracking prey in dynamic environments. With crystal-clear optics that deliver bright, detailed, 3D images in all lighting conditions, these binoculars offer an exceptional viewing experience. Built to endure, they feature a lightweight, waterproof, and fog-proof construction that withstands harsh weather and rough handling. Backed by Steiner's heritage warranty, the binoculars are guaranteed for life, ensuring reliable performance for every adventure. Number 3. Vortex Optics Roof Prism Binoculars. The Vortex Razor HD8x42 binoculars are engineered for those who demand exceptional clarity and rugged reliability in the field. Featuring 8x magnification and large 42mm objective lenses, these binoculars utilize hand-selected prisms and premium high-density, HD, glass to deliver stunning, high-definition images with unparalleled resolution and vibrant color. The lightweight magnesium chassis is designed with an open-hinge structure that enhances durability and ergonomics, while rugged armor with strategically placed indents ensures a secure, comfortable grip in any weather. Multi-position eye cups and a locking right eye diopter provide customizable comfort for users with or without glasses. Fully waterproof and fog-proof, thanks to argon purging and O-ring seals, these binoculars are built to withstand the harshest conditions. The ultra-hard Armortec coating protects exterior lenses from scratches, oil, and dirt, making the Vortex Razor HD a premium companion for any serious outdoor enthusiast. Number 4. Athlon Optics 8x42 Midas Binoculars. The Athlon Optics 8x42 binoculars are designed for adults seeking lightweight, high-performance optics with exceptional image clarity and durability. Featuring extra-low dispersion, ED, glass, these binoculars significantly reduce chromatic aberration, delivering crisp and sharp images. The ESP dielectric coating enhances light reflection, ensuring bright, color-accurate visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. Advanced fully multi-coated, FMC, lenses optimize light transmission across the spectrum for true-to-life color and brightness. Built for outdoor use, the binoculars are argon-purged, offering excellent waterproofing and thermal stability, making them reliable in extreme weather. With a wide 8.1 degrees angular field of view and 144 meters at 1,000 meters range, they are ideal for tracking movement across wide landscapes. Long eye relief ensures comfortable use, especially for eyeglass wearers, making the Athlon Optics 8x42 a top choice for nature lovers, bird watchers, and adventurers alike. Number 5. Celestron Nature DX8x42 Binoculars. The Celestron Nature DX8x42 binoculars are a versatile and rugged choice for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of performance, portability, and durability. Designed for adults, they feature 8x magnification, ideal for birdwatching, hiking, and general nature observation, delivering a steady view with excellent detail. The 42mm objective lenses and fully multi-coated optics ensure bright, sharp, and color-accurate images in a variety of lighting conditions. Built with phase-coated back, 4 prisms, they enhance contrast and resolution, making it easier to spot fine details even in shaded or low-light environments. The rubber-armored, waterproof, and nitrogen-purged housing protects against the elements, while a tripod-adaptable design offers added stability for long sessions. With a wide 7.4 degrees field of view, these binoculars make tracking birds in flight or scanning wide landscapes effortless. Backed by Celestron's limited lifetime warranty and US-based support, the Nature DX8x42 is a trusted companion for every adventure.